Be blessed by the divine. How do you know that you are having a consciousness awakening, a spiritual awakening? Here are the signs. First, your mind gets busy, engaged in your source, origin, Adi. Where have I come from? Why have I taken this birth? What is the purpose of this birth itself? Who am I? Am I this body? Am I this mind? Am I a soul? If I am a soul, I have a body, I have a mind, but I am not the body. I am not that physical person. I am not even that ego, the smoke screen, that illusion, that picture that I have of myself. I am not the mind, therefore. I am perhaps the soul. Where did the soul come from? Did it come from my parents? If that is so, where did that come from? They inherited it from their parents, and so on and so forth. I go to the first human being. Where did he inherit it? Perhaps from an animal, if we accept the Darwin's theory of evolution. Then the animal got it from its parents, and perhaps from a lesser life form, all the way to the amoeba. Where did the amoeba get its life force from? Perhaps from Panjabhutas, Prithvi, Teyu, Apu, Vayu, and Akash, that energy particle. The energy particle is a fundamental energy particle, the fundamental evolution in the dynamic form. It contains electron, proton, neutrons. An atom contains these three things. They are not stationary, they are spinning at an extraordinary speed. What is the power source for that? 1% of the volume of an atom is the volume of electron, proton, neutron, and you might know this. 99% is called the empty space. Is it truly empty? Perhaps that is the source from which these energy particles derive its energy and spinning. There are only two things. There are these energy particles and there is this space. This space perhaps is the almighty force. So you begin to engage yourself, get busy in trying to identify the origin, the root. You're questioning every assumption of yours. You are asking yourself, am I living in accordance with the laws of the unified force? There is a result for every action of ours. In the due course of time, we experience, we enjoy, or we suffer from the consequences of our actions, thoughts, words, and deeds. Or we question that. What is the true way of living? How can I lead a pain-free life? How can I leave a good world behind me, a better world, a happier, peaceful world after I finish my life? When you get busy in any and all of these different questions and you try to reform your way of living, you realize that you are not going to take anything back with you when you go, and you haven't brought anything from there. Your destiny is the same as your source. Your origin is the same as your destination. You begin to live a conscientious living. That truly is the one and the only measure of consciousness awakening. Are you having a consciousness awakening? How are you handling it? Let me know in the video. I would love to listen to you. Good luck. Be blessed by the divine.